Let's build a house in Pascal. Open the Build menu and grab the Wall tool. Right-click any time to orbit the camera. Click once on the grid to start your wall and again to set its length. Pascal carries the endpoint over, so just click your way around. 3 more walls and you're done. Close the loop and room detection kicks in. Floor and ceiling added automatically. Now the door. Switch to the Door tool and pick one from the catalog. You can customize it later. Move to the wall and click to place it. Windows next. Grab the Window tool, choose a style, and hover the wall. Want tighter control? Drop the grid snapping in the bottom bar. Now it lands exactly where you want. Click to place. One more on the other side of the door, then around the rest of the walls. Time for a roof, which means a second level. Hit the plus above the ground floor. Switch the level view from exploded to stacked, so the roof lines up cleanly over your walls. Back in the Build panel, choose your roof type. Click to start, move, and click to build. Press V for select mode. Open the roof panel on the right, pick a segment, and the live controls appear. Drag to raise the height and watch it update in real time. And that's it, your first house built in Pascal.